What is up, guys? I am excited about this one this week. If you have not yet, please go over, hit that subscribe button, like our videos, leave us a comment, all that fun stuff, help us grow. All right, today we are going to be installing a RPM slip-on Catless sport muffler.
Are you serious?
So, huge shout out to RPM for setting me up with this. Look at this bad boy.
Stop it. Get some help.
So this RPM sport muffler, Catless design. The muffler itself is all polished. The exhaust is stainless steel. It's all TIG welded. Everything looks real pretty. So I know my machine, I don't have that black rear fascia on there, but this muffler is actually designed where you can install it on your unit and then put all the stock factory rear fascia, like that little body panel deal, and use all the hardware, and then it just looks stock again. You have this muffler, but you don't have to trim the plastics or anything, and you don't put, you know, some of the other brands have a like muffler heat shield displaying their brand name, and then it's obvious your machine has an exhaust. If you want the exhaust tone, but you don't want that and you want it to keep it looking factory, this is the perfect option for you. Alright, so if you're someone that's looking to tune your machine, once you get over stage 2, most of the brands recommend or require a more free-flowing exhaust. So if that's something you're looking to do, this exhaust system here, like I said before, you can keep the machine looking stock, and this one is definitely more affordable than some of the other ones on the market. You're provided with a new upgraded gasket. I haven't taken the old one off yet, so I'm not really sure what is upgraded, but we'll do a little comparison when we get the old one off. You get some new hardware, because if you've done work on exhaust on any type of machine, when things get dirty, get hot, sometimes that hardware does not survive, so they provide you with new hardware. If you're like me and everywhere we run, we need the spark arrestor. You are able to just reuse your factory spark arrestor. You'll have to take it out. I noticed this muffler, there isn't a hole drilled for the spark arrestor, so I did drill that myself. You can see that there. So now it'll go in. It is a bit of a tighter fit in this exhaust system versus the factory one, but it'll definitely work fine. You can do this without, but we do have the exhaust spring tool to make life a little easier. Let's make this thing bark. This first step though, for anyone doing this, normally you're going to be taking all the plastics off. Mine are off because I just didn't really care for them. So I'm going to pop the factory spark arrestor out. That's it there. Just the little bolt on the bottom. The nut is captured in here. And pop that out. So we'll do the mid-pipe bolt here. 13 mil. Probably should have sprayed these things. So here's this spring. This is what the tool from RPM is for. You can get this on their website as well as the exhaust, but it's to get this spring off. I know you could probably get it with pliers, screwdrivers, stuff like that too, but this will make life easier. All right, now we got to get a second exhaust spring down below. I'll try to show you that. Now I think we could just pull it off.
I got an idea.
Oh yeah, that's loud. I got the mid-pipe flange face cleaned up. There's old gasket material and crud on there, so you want to make sure you get that nice and clean. And I decided to reuse the factory hardware. While cleaning it, I inspected the threads, and they seem to be in good condition, so I'm gonna reuse them. I doubt this is even the end of the exhaust work on this machine, so they might get replaced down the line. I don't know, but for today, we're just gonna reuse them because they're still in okay condition. So here's a side-by-side of the new muffler and the old muffler. Since I know someone on YouTube's gonna ask, I weighed them. The RPM one weighed in at 16.2 pounds, and the factory one with the shields on it was 18.8. The spark arrestor was in neither, but overall it's like a 2 pound difference. So as far as the gasket goes, here's the old one. It's all burnt, kind of crumbling, and the new one that RPM provides, it looks like it's just a better quality gasket. So we'll use this, obviously, because I destroyed this one. Alright, we can slide our new gasket on the mid-pipe, like that. And then we're ready to hang the exhaust back up. This is a direct OEM replacement muffler, so the hangers are gonna be the same. The spring locations on the muffler, they're all gonna be the same. So we can just hang it back up like we took the original one off. And that's it. While it was on the bench, I already installed the spark arrestor. So if you need to run a spark arrestor, you would do that, and that's it. I mean, this is super simple to do. Yeah, this is looking good. All right, so it's on, it's all done. Looks badass, but do you guys really care what it looks like? I mean, I know that's part of it, but it's an exhaust. It's all about how does it sound. So we're gonna check that out. I'm super pleased with how it sounds. I know it's not the test that I want or you want. You want to see it wide open, through a field, you know, doing some pulls, shit like that. And I want that too, and I'm gonna give that to you. But initial thoughts, sounds awesome. It's exactly what I want. I did not want an obnoxious exhaust. It's a little deeper, and the tone just sounds better, but it's not super loud. How about you time travel to next weekend, and we will be ripping this thing at dudes and doing some comparisons and letting you hear it under load. So quit wasting time here. Get the hell out of here. Go to Dudes. See ya. Dude's got the Pro XP Ultimate. Still has a stock exhaust. So we're gonna do a little comparison from a dead stop takeoff. So I'll show you that now. All right, now we'll do the same thing with the RPM Sport Muffler. Alright, so that's from a dead stop. We're gonna give you a drive-by now. The stock muffler on the Pro XP and then the RPM Sport muffler on the Pro XP.
Pissing off the cows.
I'll show you what it sounds like from in the cab. I really love this thing, man. It sounds awesome. The RPM Sport Muffler, it barks, man. It sounds awesome. Huge difference over stock. So if you like what you heard, man, go check them out, rpmsidebyside.com. I'll have a link for this exhaust in the description, so definitely go check it out if you're in the market for an exhaust. This one's a lot cheaper than pretty much all the other ones on the market, and it sounds awesome. So check them out. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, and we'll catch you on the next one.